To open a Phantom wallet, you will need to start by installing the Phantom browser extension. This can be done by going to the Phantom website and clicking on the Install button. Then following the prompts to add the extension to your browser. Once the extension is installed, you will see the Phantom icon in your browser toolbar. Click on this icon to open the Phantom wallet. You will then be prompted to create a new wallet or restore an existing one. If you are creating a new wallet, you will need to agree to the terms of service and create a password. After creating your password, you will be given a recovery phrase, which is used to restore your wallet in case you lose access to it. It is very important to keep this phrase safe and secure, as anyone with access to it will have control over your wallet. After setting up your wallet, you will be able to see your account balance and transaction history. You can also use the wallet to send and receive cryptocurrency, as well as interact with decentralized applications. To ensure the security of your wallet, make sure to keep your password and recovery phrase safe, and never share them with anyone. It is also a good idea to enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your wallet. By following these steps, you can easily open a Phantom wallet and start using it to manage your cryptocurrency and interact with decentralized applications. Remember to always keep your wallet and recovery phrase secure to protect your assets.